Hello everyone, and welcome to this month's adult take-home craft. Today, we will be making button flower bouquets. For your supplies, you will need the following items: various buttons, a small glass jar, green wire, and green gravel or glass. Everything that you'll need for today has been provided in the craft kit. For the first step, sort out the buttons into pairs. You want to make sure that you have one large button and one small button per pairing. Next, fold a piece of green wire in half, making sure that it's even on both ends. Thread the smaller button on the green wire first, and then follow with the larger button. Then, twist the buttons to twist the wire until you reach the very end and everything is just put together in one piece. Repeat the prior steps until you've either run out of green wire or buttons. Twist the wire flower stems together at the end to form the bouquet. Finally, place your bouquet into the glass jar already filled with green glass. Don't be afraid to adjust it if you feel like it doesn't look right. You can always remove the bouquet, adjust it a bit, and then return it to the glass. Then your craft is complete. Make sure to keep it out of the reach of small children or animals due to the glass that's inside the jar. Thanks for watching. Make sure to pick up your craft kit while supplies last at the Westland Library reference desk. We're in limited supply and it's first come, first served. No registration required. Stay tuned for next month's take-home craft.